Welcome to Ellen's Crochet Channel. Today is a Saturday. However, I'm not sure what day you will see this video, but I need to open this bag because I'm just can't wait to see what's in it. So I joined a shawl swap. It's the Spring Shawl Swap 2026. Myself and 5 other content creators here on YouTube. Okay, it's Mary from Slow Crochet, Jonna K from Leave It to Stitches, Amy from Amy Loves Crochet, Rihanna from Snailworks Crochet, and Connie from Connie's Crafty Corner. Okay, so I've been following Mary from Slow Crochet for quite a while. Last year, I know she did a shawl swap with some other content creators. And this year, her and Jonna K were doing another spring shawl swap, and they put it out there if you would like to join them this year. And of course, why not? It's fun. So we were all paired up. I think Jonna K did the pairing. I'm not really sure how she did it, but my partner is Jonna K. Okay. The 6 of us, each got a partner. So Amy from Amy's Loves Crochet, I was picked for her. So that's what's in the bag. And basically what it is, we created a shawl for our partner, and we would keep it a secret until we know each of us have received their shawl. It would be sometime in mid-April, which this is mid-April. And then we will release them probably on or around the same day. Okay. The only requirements were that it be a shawl. And we did send our, whoever, there was a spreadsheet. And, what kind of weight you liked, what your favorite colors were, fiber, if you are allergic to wool or not, just nothing specific. And we took that information and chose a shawl and made it and put it in the mail to our partner. So this is from Amy Loves Crochet, and I also have been following her channel for quite some time. I do enjoy it, and I will list all of the creators below. So yes, I'm anxious to get into this bag. Make sure I don't cut what's inside. Gotta be very careful. Oh. It's really a secret. Yes, it's a secret. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Beautiful organza bag with the moon and the stars. And a lovely card. And a little extra. That looks... Aha! Okay, so, the kind of yarn that she used. I'm so excited. Let me read the card. Beautiful card. I'm not going to read what it says, but best wishes and God bless, Amy. So glad you were part of the shawl swap this year. It was so fun to have drawn your name and to make it for you. I really hope you liked the shawl and enjoy the knitting goodies. Oh, wow. Oh, I wonder what's in there. Before I even get to the shawl, there's goodies in here. I'm not sure if Amy crochets. I know she crochets, but I'm not sure that she knits. But, ooh. Look at this. Beautiful stitch markers. Look at this. Aren't they beautiful? Made with Love by Rachel. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. These are absolutely gorgeous. And a sea turtle. So it's a sea turtle. This kind of looks like a I'm not really sure. A cucumber, a skateboard. I don't know, whatever it is. They are just beautiful. Progress keepers, beautiful heart. And also needle protectors. Aren't they the cutest? And they go with the theme for my, well, maybe over by the time you see this, for my crochet along, which was spring flowers. They're little daisies. Aren't they the cutest? Thank you, Amy. I just love getting goodies. But now I'm really anxious to see what you created for me, because I'm sure it's gorgeous. Oh, how beautiful. Look at this. Look how beautiful that is. I'm gonna have to take a picture of this outside. It's gorgeous. It is beautiful. And if my daughter's watching this, no, you're not getting it. Look how beautiful that is. It's just simply gorgeous. My beautiful colors. This is my colors for this year. Beautiful. Thank you, Amy. It's just gorgeous. I will have to take a picture. I will insert it with me standing up and actually fashioning it. It's gorgeous, beautiful, love it. This is with sheepskis. We always mess that name up. Sheepskis Cotton Whirl, and the color is Teal Tempest. Okay, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Yes, beautiful. And as I said, I will insert a picture here with me, you know, standing up so you can see it, because it's absolutely gorgeous. I just love it. Just love it. Perfect summer, spring, fall shawl. Thank you, Amy. I'm so glad you got me. And I had Jana Kay as my shawl swap partner, so I cannot wait till she opens hers. I did film me making hers, you know, before and in between, and in the interim I had gotten a new laptop, and in the transfer of things, it's kind of gone wayward. So I'm looking forward to Jana opening up her shawl also. Thank you, Amy. I love it. Yes, hope to do this again soon with all my shawl swap partners. Take care.